Hello and welcome back to Prophetic Diary. My name is Tynique. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so that when we go live here at PD Nation, you're able to join us. Everything that you need to know about Prophetic Diary is down in the description box below. How to sign up for that one-on-one encouragement call with myself. How to join us in the PD Society Circle. I'm actually about to go into the meeting now. We're going to be talking about the who, the what, the whens, the where, and of dreams, right? Where do your dreams come from? Is Satan able to give you dreams? What does your dreams mean? What does God say about dreams? So join us in the PD Society Circle every Sunday at 10 a.m. I would love to see you there. And also, ladies and gentlemen, I've released the flyer for you to sign up, register for the Single and Ready series. The Lord said, listen, everyone's like, Tynique, I thought we already prepared for marriage. No, we're in a place where we're healed now, right? We're more whole. And God wants us to teach us through this series how to build on with who we are now, right? We have been preparing, but that was from a place of hurt, a place of growth, right? So no, the Lord says, honey, no. We got to get built. I got to make sure you guys can sustain this, right? And our first topic is where the first topic / episode will be, which you guys can sign up for now for February 17th, is learning from my past experiences spiritually, right? What spiritually should I have taken from that? What may be attached to me spiritually, right? Join us there, the Single and Ready series. But the Lord gave me a word for you today, and it started with a dream that I had about washing dishes. Me and someone here at Prophetic Diary was washing dishes. And I know that the Lord has us in a place where He's just getting rid of old habits and ideas and ways of thinking, ways of feeling, ways of reacting to past events. So when I looked up the dream, it says, to dream of washing dishes represents moving on or planning the next phase of your life. You are finishing up with something or completely getting rid of certain beliefs you have. So the Lord is saying through that dream about us washing dishes that we are finishing up a last phase of our life. We are making plans to move on. Are we not here at Prophetic Diary? So that's why you feel compelled to go this way. That is why you feel compelled to stay on track, to not get off the track, to not get off the wall. That's why we've been talking about that here at Prophetic Diary. That's why, because God said we are finishing up our last phase and finishing up something and completely getting rid of something. That's why you're hanging out with people and talking with people and communicating with people you knew for years, but it just seems like the end of the road, right? You're just like, I just don't feel fulfilled or fed anymore by this. So God sent me to let you know, stay on the right track. Stay over here. Stay planted. Stay grounded in our new land, Eden, right? Stay here because I'm finishing up and getting rid of some old things so that I can move in some new things in your life, right? Stay on the wall because you are finishing up and I got to get rid of some old beliefs, right? You're starting to notice I have some jacked up belief systems, right? That's why I love the PD Society Circles, because it goes against everything that we ever knew. A lot of the words here at Prophetic Diary, the lives, go against anything you ever knew, thought you knew. Old beliefs and systems from our past life. Whenever you're upgrading and getting a new system in a company or in a business, you got to rewire. You got to rewire and download a whole new system, new applications. Here at Prophetic Diary, we are downloading new applications about marriage and relationships and friendships. We're downloading new applications about who we are in Christ. We're getting rid of old systems and planning for our new life here in Eden. If you feel led to sow into this word, hashtag, I'm planning for a new life. Hashtag new life. I love you, family. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.